बात करेंगे about career crossroads, you know, considering आप दोनों mums हो. And I believe, Manur, you've been a dentist before.
Yes.
And I believe you have a Harvard background as well. So, I mean, and you're both pretty young, right? और इतनी जल्दी अगर एक alternative career option मिलता है, तो ये moment कब realize हुआ? Manur, I'll ask you first.
Okay, so honestly, my entire life, I knew that doctor is what I want to do. And at one point, like, I knew exactly what I had to do. And I knew that once you become a doctor, your life is set. I was like, I'll graduate, I'll do my
Was that your family's influence?
Not really. Nobody in my family is a doctor.
Yeah,
nobody in my family is a doctor actually. So it's very surprising that I was the very first. But I always thought that once I'm done with my degree and my house job, I'll have everything set for me, and that's it. I'm like, I'm going to be so rich and successful.
Wow.
but
how's that working out?
Getting there. I mean, getting there. I cannot complain, honestly. I feel like your degree never goes to waste. Your profession, like you also said initially, is that once you are a doctor and you will always stay a doctor, the knowledge that comes with whatever you have studied you always go forward with that knowledge, right?
Absolutely.
So whoever you meet, wherever you go, you will always have this thing and that confidence that what I've studied is what I know. But what happened is that once I graduated, I got married, and then, like as we all know, we became mums. And then I realized that, okay, the timings, the life and everything is not really matching with how I want to see my life and how what I want to do for my child. So that's where career crossroads came up from.
How lovely is that? And you know, कितने लोग हैं मानू जो इस तरह सोचते हैं. Because I think there are a lot of women who think कि यार अब मैं मम बन गई. तो I mean, मैं जब मम बनी थी और मैंने जब अपने रेज्यूमे देखा था तो मुझे सिर्फ ये नजर आता था 5 साल का गैप. मैं सिर्फ उस 5 साल के गैप पे फोकस करती थी. मैं इस चीज़ पे फोकस नहीं करती थी. मैं अभी भी इतनी ही एजुकेटेड हूँ. मेरी अभी भी इतनी स्किल्स हैं. फर्क सिर्फ ये था कि गैप आ गया था. सो कितनी मम्स अभी आपको देख रही हैं जिनको हिम्मत मिलेगी कि यू नो बीइंग अ मम डजंट मीन यू गिव अप ऑन योर करियर.
That's really one thing that we really focus on.
Zabardast. And what do you feel, Aisha?
Honestly, I was a career trajectory that I figured out for myself. I was at UCLA for my bachelor's, and I was at Harvard for my master's, and I was working in the US for a little bit. Came back, बस
नहीं exact है.
No, you know,
it's a very important question also because कोई नहीं आता.
The year I came back was when there was a lot of budding, like new startups coming up in Pakistan, a lot of like entrepreneurship starting out. I was a tech entrepreneur before Career Crossroads, before I became a mom as well. And
a
it was
tech entrepreneur.
Yeah,
how cool is that?
I was doing property tech, and that was like, you know, something.
Wow.
As a woman in that field, longer hours, all of that stuff. But I feel like once I took my break when I became a mom. And I eventually wanted to get back into that space, but like Manur said, it just wasn't working out. And then when we looked at
it, why wasn't it working out? Let's be very open with our audience.
Because in all honesty, you know, you have mom guilt. You also know that you've spent your entire life so much money studying at these universities. Like when someone hears Harvard and they're like, hey, what are you doing here? Like, why are you back in Pakistan? And that pressure that, you know, you did this and like everything's going downhill from here because you feel like you're not doing enough, but then you also want to be present for your child. You also
अपने ऊपर expectation बहुत ज़्यादा डालती थी. Did you feel like as if, oh my God, just because it's Harvard, I must, you know, be a rocket scientist or something?
No, I
एक होता है ना हम अपने ऊपर भी तो pressure डालते हैं कितना.
And I think also when you make your own money for a little bit and then you don't anymore because you're not working for a little bit. That hits you, right?
That's
you're
really
just
tough.
Like, you're like, hey, like, you know, because even as a student you're working and you're doing something that's just yours. Like, you know, it doesn't matter. Like, you're, alhamdulillah, like, everything for your families and husbands and everything, but what's yours is yours, right?
Of course, if your family can afford to send you to Harvard, they can afford to pay for you as well, I'm sure. मगर अपने पैसे होते हैं and अपनी इज्जत होती है.
So then that also, and then when both of us are friends, we went to A levels together, went to the same school. And it was actually Manur, one random night, I was talking to her about, like, you know, how I wanted to switch my career, I wanted to do something that was more friendly with the baby. And she messages me at like 2-3 in the morning with like 5-6 voice notes.
It was a very 3 a.m. in the morning.
You changed your life.
I just sent a 4-minute voice note, which by the way is up on our social media because we really wanted to tell people how this came out, right? So a 4-minute voice note to Aisha that this is what I'm thinking, and it's literally just in the air. And honestly, I also discussed with my husband in that moment, and he said, okay, this is not a bad idea, we can talk about it in the morning. And then that is it. We met the same morning, and it's just
सुबह के 4 बजे के एक voice note ने career crossroads को basically जन्म दिया. How cool is that?
Exactly how it is.
How cool is that?
Because our kids were young, so I feel like we were just both up in the middle of the night.
नहीं, but you know, it's always good to have a partner in crime. और औरतों से बहुत हिम्मत होती है. खासतौर पे आजकल के ज़माने में अगर औरतें एक दूसरे के साथ competitive ना हो और अगर वो अपनी forces join कर लें तो they are unstoppable. Don't you think so? अच्छा मुझे थोड़ा सा career crossroads के बारे में बताओ मानो.
So okay, so Career Crossroads is essentially like a career consulting company. Okay, so what our idea behind this was that, you know, there's one person who's sitting down and giving you knowledge about every single career. But they can't know everything about every career, right? So what we did was that we made like a panel of alhamdulillah 30, 40 plus consultants where we had someone from every specific field. So if there's a specific career that you want to follow or like this path that you want to take, you can just like connect with that exact person who's done the same thing. So they've been there, done that. Yeah. So they've been there, done that.
A lot more than being a counselor. You need a mentor who's been there, done that.
So that's our basically our motto, like mentorship.
Because when we got into this field and when we were looking for like alternate careers for ourselves, the idea is not to like, again, the existing platforms, there is one person like Manu said, who will help you with the direction, will help you figure out. But for example, I want to be a photographer, or like I want to be something that's non-traditional, right? So we had people, so on our panel right now we have traditional professions, so doctors, dentists, lawyers, doctors who moved abroad, lawyers who are practicing different things, but we also have non-traditional professions. We have aestheticians, we have event planners, we have photographers.
You have the creative field.
Yeah, we have like makeup artists.
Economy is a good part and a big part of Pakistan also.
Because a lot of people now at this point are like, hey, like Gen Zs are hustlers, they want to earn money, they don't know if like, you know, we want to go towards a specific path, but at the end of the day, we want to start earning from this date. So like, you know,
that's amazing. When you became a mom, how difficult was it for you to sit at home? ये भी बात करना ज़रूरी है.
Of course.
Raising a child, perks भी हैं, but कभी-कभी आपको गुस्सा भी चढ़ रहा होता है कि यार मैंने इतनी पढ़ाई की सब किया, ये करती रहूँगी क्या?
100%.
Women can create so much more than just babies.
Yeah.
And what did you feel psychologically? क्या feel करती थी अपने दिल में? You know, and then उसके बाद वापस जाते हुए क्या feel कर रही थी और किस तरीके से वापस गई?
Honestly, first things first, I feel like when you become a mom, especially when you're a doctor, I mean obviously other fields also, but especially when you're a doctor, you're meant to do this one thing, and when you're not doing this, it's like identity crisis. Like who am I? What am I? मैं ये अब नहीं हूँ, मैं जो बनना चाहती थी मैं वो नहीं हूँ. Like my life is at a still, like am I supposed to, am I a housewife, am I a stay-at-home mother? This is not what I want to do in my life. At the same time, when you go back, you realize that you're missing out on such an important part of your life. Like you're not present for your child. You come back home tired. Dentistry are such long working hours. You come back, you want to rest, and you can't give that same attention to your child.
Of course.
So I feel like one thing when you go back and you have to deal with is mom guilt. Also, one very important thing is दूसरों के opinions. Family के opinions, relatives के opinions, partner के opinions, and for example,
क्या करती थी? तब बताओ हमारी audience को. Let's say मियाँ ने आके कुछ बोला तो how would you deal with it? I mean, we all deal with it.
Yeah, no, alhamdulillah, I can't complain about that because it was always supported from day one.
Of course.
But I also obviously have a lot of help with my child and at home, so it really works out easily.
That's
like
how it
that.
Worked out.
But you thought that I was making sure that I give my family and my child enough time, and our working hours as such were like, okay, we can make it work. Also, one very important thing about Crossroads was that we were both in it together. So if I was busy with my child, his school or whatever, so Aisha was taking care of it. So and vice versa. So that's something that really worked out for us. Like you said, like women supporting each other.
It really is. This is the world and time to be supportive of each other. And Aisha, how did you feel becoming a mom?
Honestly, I feel like anyone who's known me all my life knows that like Aisha has a certain pathway for her life. I was briefly also like involved politically, and I wanted to, my undergraduate is in political science and master's is international relations. And the idea was I was working at the UN for a little bit. So like, I've done all of that. So for me, it felt like I had that expectation of myself, and then others expected of me to do something big, right? So when you
that's a lot of pressure,
and then I feel like when
you become a pressure hota hai यहाँ पे.
And becoming a mom, again, my priorities shifted completely. Like you know, overnight it was like, hey, I have this little human depending on me, and I cannot let this person down. Like it was just, that was the only thought. But then I was constantly letting myself down because it just was like, hey, listen, I've done all of this. I see people who were at Harvard with me or at UCLA with me, and they were like, you know, going to these fancy offices or in these big spaces, and I'm just like, hey, I'm at home with my child. But I feel like now when we started Career Crossroads, and that's what I tell a lot of mothers who come to us, is that being a mom teaches you so much. Like, you know, when you talked about your CV break, I feel like one advice that we give to people is that you should not look at your break in the CV as, you should not try to hide it, right? You should own it, talk about it in a manner as to what your motherhood taught you. आपको किस तरह से आफ्टर बीइंग अ मॉम क्या क्या आपने सीखा, क्या टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स हम लोगों के कितने अच्छे हो जाते हैं। आप प्रेशर, अंडर प्रेशर, मैं अपने हस्बैंड को हमेशा बोलती रहती हूँ कि लिसन, जितना अंडर प्रेशर अब मैं ऑपरेट कर सकती हूँ ना, लाइक सुबह के टाइम, वो पहले नहीं कर सकती थी। इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी। सो आई फील लाइक वो ट्रांजिशन बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है आज तक। कभी भी हमारे साथ कोई इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है and something comes up with the child and child comes first, and both of us obviously rely on each other for that, but वही चीज़ है कि आपको थोड़ा सा बुरा भी लगता है कि यार इतनी ये चीज़ हो सकती थी, हम ये opportunity avail कर सकते थे but नहीं कर पाए because of whatever reason.
And you know Manoor, I've noticed one thing as well. When I see my child seeing me perform and fighting my day every day to be 100% with him, starting his day right and then going about my own day. कभी कभी आता है, अगर मैं शो के लिए रिसर्च कर रही होती हूँ, आई एम लाइक 1 minute, आई एम जस्ट गोना फिनिश दिस रिसर्च एंड देन आई विल गेट बैक टू यू। इट्स बिकॉज मैं इसको भी सिखाना चाहती हूँ और दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि आजकल के ज़माने में दिस इज़ व्हाट अ यू नो गुड मम इज़, दिस इज़ व्हाट गुड पेरेंटिंग इज़ ऑल्सो। तो अगर हमें यू नो ये मम गिल्ट, और जिसको भी अगर ऑडियंस में अभी मम गिल्ट फील हो रहा है, तो आप ये रियलाइज़ करें कि वो बच्चा जब आपको इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग देखता है और इतना अकम्पलिश देखता है तो उस पर देख के ज़्यादा असर पड़ता है, राइट, एंड दे लर्न बेटर थ्रू दैट। अच्छा, जब हम लोग करियर क्रॉसरोड्स की बात करते हैं, हाउ डू वी हेल्प पीपल? लेट्स से आई कम टू यू एंड आई टेल यू कि हे लिसन, I've done pharma marketing, I've done IT work, I've done everything, I don't know what I want to do. I'm open to it, help me, how will you help me? And I'm clueless. How will you help
Honestly, we are so open to people who are clueless coming up to us. So we get calls and they tell us, like, we get DMs where people just send us a list of their educational background, everything they've done. They also don't know anything about it, and they're also as lost as we were at one point in our lives. So we obviously give them a call, like as co-founders and everything. Our team gives them a call. We discuss everything with them in detail. We make like a career review for them. We work on it. We sit down together. We decide everything that we can tell them, and then we connect them with that specific consultant that we think is the right fit for them. Right? So we have
recently कोई story बताओ, success story बताओ.
So very recently, a lot of dentists, like Manu was. We have dentists on our panel, but there's
क्यों नहीं खुश आखिर ये dentist?
No,
आप सोचने वाली बात है।
Dentists are underpaid in Pakistan.
अच्छा।
That is the problem of dentistry. Like, I don't want to say it, but this is the problem of dentistry.
अच्छा।
Dentistry and usually doctors are very highly underpaid in Pakistan, which is not fair.
अच्छा, no wonder ये dentists सारे esthetician बन रहे हैं।
Yes. Honestly, I am guilty of that because I've
been there. Oh my God, are you also?
So एक time आया था where I completed my dentistry, and then right after I had my child, I went into aesthetics.